Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 豚とキャベツの辛味噌炒め. It's cabbage and pork stir-fried with spicy miso. It's so easy to make and you can make it in no time, but it's delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this dish. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some cabbage, little bit of carrot, 300 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like. I'm using shoulder today. 3 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons each of doubanjiang, hot bean paste, and garlic paste. As always, all the cutting first. So carrot, peel the skin. Make diagonal slices. Then into thin slices. And cabbage. Cut the core off. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Today it's just cabbage and carrot, but if you have some leftover vegetables that you want to use up, like half onion or half bell pepper in your fridge, you can just slice it and add it here. Now let's make the spicy miso sauce. You just need to combine everything in a small bowl and dissolve miso, hot bean paste, garlic, miso, sugar, sake, and mirin all in. And just give it a mix to dissolve miso. And the spicy miso sauce is ready. It can be easier. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'm using rice oil, but you can use any oil you like. And let's cook the pork first. When the pork is almost cooked, add all the vegetables. And keep cooking until vegetables are wilted. Cooked for 5 minutes or so, and the vegetables are wilted and pork is completely cooked. Now it's time to add the sauce. for another 1 to 2 minutes. Because you mix the sauce in advance, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso. Okay, kill the heat and it's done. Serve in the plate. Some sesame seeds if you like. Then, キャベツと豚の辛味噌炒め It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The spicy miso sauce is just amazing. The balance of the spiciness, saltiness, and sweetness is so perfect. And you remember how easy it was to make the sauce. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とキャベツの辛味噌炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is kind of punchy and heavy, so let's go light for the side dishes. How about hiyayakko for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!